Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Monday, May 18th, 2020. And on Friday, you saw the markets consolidated with a narrow range day taking place up near the close of Thursday's session. So last week we did see some selling that gave us some pretty large ranges here on these candlesticks. You see big red candlestick, big green candlestick, and then Friday was kind of this small, almost an inside day. It wasn't quite an inside day, but it just kind of consolidated around where it closed at on Thursday, giving us some range compression. This morning, we are gapping up and we are trading up above these recent highs. And what I want to do is I want to show you one of the new bias alerts that is within our platform this morning that's based off of this falling volatility pattern when below a 10 and below a 200-day moving average, which the ES is under both of those. So let me show you this bias alert that is in play for this morning. The bias alerts are just a bunch of biases that are either statistically significant or noteworthy that we've loaded into the platform to give you ideas to look at on a daily basis. They are already within here. So all I gotta do is, once I'm in this bias alerts section, I can just scroll down and find this one called bias volatility compression under 10 and under 200. Hit view results, and this will load it into Discover. And these are the results of this volatility compression pattern when under a 10 and under 200-day moving average. Now, the entry is at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time and exiting at the close of regular trading hours. The indicators that it uses is an ATR indicator that is based off of a one-day ATR being less than a 5-day ATR. So that gives you that volatility compression pattern, and then it is under a 10 and under a 200-day moving average. You can see the results pretty solid here for this pattern. It's a pretty strong win rate, 53 samples, win rate coming in close to 70%. And on average, the average win has been larger than the average loss. So that's producing a really solid looking equity curve for that bias. Now let me go ahead and add the other instruments. The other instruments are favored as well. ES is one of the stronger ones. Let me click view results here. Here we go. So as you can see, the ES and the Russell are the two stronger instruments. Both of those have win rates at 69%. NASDAQ and YM are coming in the upper 50s. So as a whole, if you kind of combine them all together, the average win rate would probably be in the mid 60s, low to mid 60s, somewhere in there. But they are all fairly favorable with this pattern that is in play this morning if opening above the prior day high in the ES, YM, and Russell. This is not applicable to the NASDAQ this morning, but it is applicable for the other instruments. So I thought I'd share that with you. Good luck today, and we will see you next time.